Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your teacher from the Educators FM campus. Students, take out your computer book and open page number 28. Now let's start the reading. Curve tool. The curve tool can be used to draw a smooth wavy line. कर्व टूल से क्लास आप एक वेवी लाइन जो है वो ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं पेंट्स में. सो फॉर दैट फॉलो द स्टेप्स. स्टेप नंबर 1, क्लिक ऑन द कर्व टूल in the shape group. Step 2, choose line style from outline, line thickness from size, and line color from color 1. Step 3, move the pointer to the drawing area. Keeping the left mouse button pressed, drag the computer mouse to draw a line. Step 4, to curve the line, use one of the following steps. Click on the point outside the line where you want the line to curve. The line will curve in that direction. Or click on any point on the line and keeping the left mouse button pressed, drag the pointer in the direction in which you want the line to curve. Note that you can curve the line only twice using the above step. Step number 5, release the mouse button when you get the desired shape. As you can see in step 1, choose the curve option. In step 2, choose the line style, outline and color. In step 3, move your pointer to the drawing area, keeping your left mouse button pressed, and drag the mouse to draw a line. Step 4 class, as you can see, in step 4, point the pointer and press your left button and drag the pointer. Step 5, now release the mouse button when you get your shape. Okay, now class, coming toward the polygon tool. A triangle has 3 sides, a rectangle has 4 sides, a diamond has 4 sides, a pentagon has 5 sides, a hexagon has 6 sides. All these shapes are present in the shape group. What if we want to draw a shape that has more than 6 sides? If you want to draw a shape of more than 6 side class, so you will choose the polygon tool. This is the picture of polygon tool. So for that, coming toward the steps, step 1, click on the polygon tool in the shape group. Step 2, choose color 1 and color 2 for the polygon. Step 3, choose the line style, fill style and line thickness for the polygon. Step number 4, move the pointer to the drawing area. Left click and drag the mouse to a draw line. Step 5, click at the point where the next line of the figure should end. Repeat step 5 for the various sides of the figure. Double click to stop the drawing. Step 1, choose the polygon tool. Step 2, choose the color from color 1 and color 2. Step number 3, you can choose size, outline. Number 4, move the pointer to the drawing area. Left click and drag the mouse to draw a line like this. Now on step number 5, click at the point where the next line of the figure should end. Page number 31, saving a new drawing. We can save our drawing on the computer so that we can open it later. The steps are: step number 1, click on the File tab. Step 2, click on the Save option. The Save As dialog box appears. Type the file name in the file name box. Step 4, click on the Save button. Your drawing gets saved. Step 1, click the File option. Step 2, click on the Save option. Step 3, write the name of your file here. And step number 4, press the Save button so that you can save your file. Now coming towards opening a saved drawing. The steps to open a saved file are as follows. Step 1, click on the File tab. Step 2, click on the box Open option. The Open dialog box appears. As you can see, click on the file. And step number 2, click the Open option. Step number 3, select the file name from the list of file, and step 4, click on the Open button and the file open in Paint. Now coming toward creating a new drawing. We can start working on a new drawing by following these steps. Step 1, click on the File tab. Step 2, click on the New option and a blank drawing area appears. Like this. Press the File option and then press the New option so that a new drawing area will appear. Closing a drawing. We can close a drawing by following these steps. Step 1, click on the File tab. Step 2, click on the Exit option. Now class, coming toward page number 34, question number 1, fill in the blanks. Polygon, fill with color, file, curve, view. These are your options. You have to fill the blanks with the help of these words. Number 1, the dash tool is used to fill color in any closed shape. Fill with color. Number 2, the dash tool can be used to make a shape with any number of sides. Polygon. Number 3, the dash tool is used to draw smooth wavy line. Curve. Number 4, we can click on the dash tab to open the option to create a new drawing in Paint file. Number 5, the dash tab contains buttons that let you see your drawing in different views. View. Question number 2, write T for true and F for false statement. The fill with color tool is used to copy color from one area of a picture to another area of a picture, that is false. The brush tool can be used to draw lines with different type of effects. True. We can use the curve tool to make a four-sided figure. False. The magnifier tool can be used to make the drawing look bigger. True. The file tab contains tool to draw and color the pictures. False. Coming towards the question number 4, unscramble the name of the tools using the given picture as clue. These are your pictures. Number 1, brushes. Number 2, pencils. Number 3, magnifier. Number 4, eraser. Number 5, text. And number 6, fill with color. Okay, now class, this was the end of today's lesson. I will meet you in the next class. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.